Good morning, Niger. My people, how una dey o? Hope na sleep well. Sapa no go worry we. Make na no forget make na subscribe, make na like, make na share, make na comment. This morning, I wan talk about the thing wey one former senator talk about this same salary issue. Me, I no even know say the guy no dey house again. Anyway, him talk say, I got 14 million monthly, while a governor goes home with over 700 million or 1 billion security vote. Elisha Abbott. I don't know, remember Ramba? In a recent interview with Arise TV from 707, Elisha Abbott, a former federal lawmaker, spoke about the financial pressure he faced while serving as a senator. Abbott said that despite receiving 14 million naira monthly, a significant portion of his money was spent on helping others. He said he used his money to pay for scholarship and to support many people who rely on him financially. He contrasted his situation with that of state governors in Nigeria who receive much larger sums of money. Abbott said that some governors receive a security vote of over 700 million naira each month, with some even getting as much as 1 billion naira. In Abbott's word, I have 14 million naira a month, and I am paying a lot of people's scholarship in my office. I am subsidizing people's life in my office, while a state governor in the country is going home with over 700 million naira security vote every single month minimum. Some go home with 1 billion. Oh, Elisha Abbott won't compare himself to governor be that now. So the last time when he been dey house, now 14 million he receive. And he's saying they pay people school fees, and they give them scholarship. How they not come vote you back now if say you do well? Oh, now 700 million wey governor they receive for security voter or 1 billion. Now in dey your eye. Now wow for Nigerian senators. So in they even talk say the money self no even do, because in they pay school fees. In they pay they feed people out of him 14 million. In people no do well. Therefore vote for her, make you go back to the house so that he could help them. This same senator will go share one can of wetin they call am Maltina for him people. Queue up like this, they give them 1 can of Maltina. Now this same senator saying they pay people school fees. The way he look, the time wey he enter house, and the way he look now the same thing.